Welcome to this learning video on user management in DHIS2. In this video, we will explore how to create and manage user, assign role and group, and configure the access to ensure secure and efficient system use. Let's get started. DHIS2 allows multiple users to access the system simultaneously, each user with different level of authority. User management is a powerful platform that lets you to create user, assign role, and define what each user can do. Some users may only enter data, while the other can generate report or manage the system. To create a user, open the user app. This will show you three cards, namely user card, user role, and user group. Click the plus button in the user card. Then fill the basic information such as username, email address, first name, last name, interface language, and database language. The interface language determines how the DHIS2 software appears to the user. The database language controls how metadata like data element is displayed. You can also disable a user by clicking Disable this user account. This means that the user account is not deleted, but the user can't log in or use DHIS2. This feature allows you to temporarily or permanently restrict a user access to the system. Next, let's look at the security section. Here, you can set a password for the user. The password must meet specific rules. It should be between 8 and 14 characters long. It includes at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one digit, and one special character. It should not contain the username, email, or generic name like admin or user, and not be one of the user's last 24 passwords. You can also set an account expiration date if the user access should end on a specific date. For the advanced setup, you can use OIDC mapping value to link the user access to external identity provider like Google or Azure AD, or use LDP identifier for LDP server authentication. In the contact details section, you can add optional information like mobile phone number, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Skype, Telegram, and Twitter. Now, let us assign organization unit. Data capture and maintenance unit control. For which organization unit the user can do data entry. You must assign at least one data capture and maintenance organization unit to each user. ዳታ ካፕቸር ኤንድ ሜንቴናንስ ዩኒት እያንዳንዱ ዩዘር ለየትኛው ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት መረጃ ማስገባት እንደሚችል ይወስናል። ለእያንዳንዱ ዩዘር ቢያንስ አንድ ዳታ ካፕቸር ኤንድ ሜንቴናንስ ዩኒት ሊሰይምለት ይገባል። Data output and analysis unit control. For each organization unit, the user can view aggregate data in Analytics app. For example, the Data Visualizer in GIS app. You can assign any number of data output and analysis organization unit to a user. If you don't specify any organization unit for data output and analysis, the user will have the access to full organization unit hierarchy for viewing aggregate data. ዳታ አውትፑት ኤንድ አናላይሲስ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ማንኛውም ዩዘር ከአናሊቲክስ አፕ ውስጥ ማየት የሚችለውን አግሪጌት ዳታ ይወስናል። ማንኛውም ዩዘር አንድና ከዛ በላይ ዳታ አውትፑት ኤንድ አናላይሲስ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ሊሰየምለት ይችላል። ዳታ አውትፑት ኤንድ አናላይሲስ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ለአንድ ዩዘር ካልተሰየመለት ተጠቃሚው ሙሉ የኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ሃይራርኪ አግሪጌት ዳታ ማየት ፍቃድ ይኖረዋል። Search organization unit. Select the organization unit you want the user to be able to search in the search organization unit. ሰርች ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ማንኛውም ተጠቃሚ በሰርች ባር ፈልጎ ማግኘት የሚችላቸውን ኦርጋናይዜሽን የሚወስን ነው። Remember, user automatically gains the access to all sub-units of the unit you assign. So, avoid selecting overlapping units. You can select and assign a role to the user you are creating. This determines the level of the access and permission the user will have within the system. You have also option to assign the user to specific user group, which help streamline access management and organize the user based on their responsibility or function. You can also set dimension restriction to limit the data the user see in Analytics app. For example, you can restrict a user to view data for specific region or a program. In this video, we have looked how to create and manage user. In the next video, we will see how to assign role and group. Thank you for watching. Unlock your potential and follow us for expert tips and exclusive learning videos.